All right, hello, Owen Edwards. This is my goal tracking and journaling website for project one of CS5167, user interface one. Let me just go over some of the key components and features in my application here. As you can see, I have a nav bar up here with a header on attached to it. This is within my app.svelte. I have several tabs here. You have new entry, previous entries, performance overview, and then customization. With right now, we're currently in the new entry page, which contains this daily entry Svelte component, which allows you to add different journaling activities, journaling and goal tracking activities to your user, which are tracked here in previous entries. But alongside this, I also have a user overview, which is a separate component which keeps track of the user, current date and time, days since first use, and then active days. Some of the activities here, and specifically my goal tracking and journaling application is financial themed, so that's why some of the activities here relate to amount spent, short text and long text entry, image captions, and then a productivity rating based on how productive you felt at the end of that day, as well as some feelings here. And all of these metrics are saved within previous entries, which you're able to view. So I already have some pre-populated data here. Here's one where here's one of the previous entries where I was able to view. I'm able to see that I have different feelings and amounts spent and productivity ratings. I also have a Svelte component for editing entries. As you can see, there's a different component here just for being able to edit entries. If I save this and say that I had a actually unproductive day, and then I view it again, I would see that it's now a 2 out of 10 instead of whatever it was before. If I add an entry here where I'm able to choose different values, let's say I choose the number 14 and I say, oh, not happy, I'm bored. Let's say, sorry, some of these kind of juxtapose each other. Let's say I'm happy and, actually, no, let's say I'm sad and frustrated with a productivity rating of 1. So if I save that entry, which I also have some confirmation here I already have some confirmation here to show that the entry was saved in green text, then we can see that that entry is now saved here, where it says that I was sad and frustrated. I spent $14, probably got a sandwich or something, and then a productivity rating 1 out of 10. All of these entries are reflected here in the total amount spent, in the performance overview section, which keeps track of amount spent, average productivity, the most common feelings, days logged, and then a goal achievement rating. So for instance, let's say that I make an entry here where I say that I saved a lot of money, and then if I save today's entry, we'll see that's reflected in my total amount, not amount saved, amount spent, but that's reflected in my total amount spent here. And there's performance overview Svelte component. Furthermore, I also have a customization component which allows the user some customizability. So let's say I don't want to say how I'm actually feeling today. Well, I can hide that, and as you see, the feeling activity is hidden away. Let's also say that I don't want to upload an image. That'll also go away there. The feelings are back. You can pick and choose if you want to reset it. So let's say that I want to get rid of. Let's just get rid of everything. All I have is a box to save the entry, but I'm able to reset all of that with this reset activities button, and it all comes back. Additionally, I also have themes for the website using CSS variables. So I can choose like a dark theme here. A little more pleasing to the eyes, changes, the background color and all of that. I also have this colorful one, which I don't recommend because it's kind of a flashbang, but if you're feeling that kind of day today, then you can do that. And yeah, that's pretty much the gist of my goal tracking and journaling website. I'm Owen Edwards, and this is my project one.